was fear. Not dramatic fear, mind you, but the quiet fear of the future. The fear of falling and having no one there. The fear of getting sick and having no one to call.
Hello, this is Will.
Or the fear of dying
I'm in
alone.
my workshop
Those
right now.
are not easy
Been
things
doing some
to say out loud. But so many of you
rearranging
did, and
and
that took courage.
my cabinet I
It
had in there. I
reminded
made
me
it
how
shorter
many
so
people
my
walk through life with worries
My,
that they never share with anyone.
sander and my drill
And if
press
you've had
fit
those
on there
thoughts,
better.
you don't have to explain.
And
Just simply say, I understand in the comments. Because
so I thought I'd come out here and do some rearranging and fix my cabinet. It's still pretty mess in here right now. I got my workbench over on the right side of the room. Finally got it cleared off to where I can do some work on there now. And I'm trying out this new, it's a video camera, and it's got a microphone that I can hook up to it, and then it also has a wireless microphone. And I bought a bigger tripod that's on right now, and then I got this shorter little tripod that I can sit it on when I need to, or close it up and hold it in my hand. And it's pretty much did about all I can do right now until I get some of this other stuff out of here and put in another building. And hopefully I can get it done soon. And right now everything's ran from an extension cord running into the building. And this summer I want to finally get some power ran out to it from the main breaker in the house for the 110. And then I've got a heater, it's an electric heater for the winter time, but I gotta run a 220 line out to the building to be able to run it. I'll do that sometime this summer. And it's coming along a little bit at a time, but whenever I get everything all done, I'll do a video of my workshop, let you all see it. I got one little heater up above me up here, above the scroll saw, that it heats up enough. It was right here in front of it, but it's pretty much of a mess in here right now. And I don't know, I got another channel too now that I started. It's called Will's Adventures, and I'm going to be doing some hiking and I want to try to do some hiking. I got a bad back, so I can't walk real far at a time, so I have to walk so far and then I have to rest a little bit, relax my back. And then I'm going to do some metal detecting on that channel and do some camping, and then just sitting out at the fire pit talking and hoping that I come up with some good stuff to show on here. And I'm hoping everybody doing well and having a good day today. Today is let's see, Tuesday, February 17th, and I just thought I'd come on here and chat a little bit and let you know I'm going to be doing some more videos making things here in the workshop on Will's Scroll Saw Workshop. And then I'm also going to be doing some of the other hiking and metal detecting and stuff like that, outside stuff on my other channel. Going to be doing some of that this summer too. And I'm just hoping it'll warm up here real soon. And to get where I can get out and do some stuff outside too. And I'm hoping that I can get some more some likes and some subscribes to help my channel, and comments. I'd love to hear some of your comments, and I'll answer all of them. And if anybody has any ideas what I can do here in the workshop or do outside this summer doing stuff, and hopefully I can get all kinds of comments to be able to talk with you guys too. And don't know what else to say, but like and subscribe on my channel to help me out, and hopefully, and please comment and stuff on there too. So I think I'm going to get back off here and let you guys go, and just have to get this video ready to upload. And I hope to be seeing you guys again real soon. And I'm ready to get out and start trying to do some hiking and stuff, because I want to be able to get some hiking in now, and getting tired of sitting around all the time. I'm ready for winter to be over. It's supposed to be in the 40s all this week. So hopefully get something done. So I'll let everybody go for now, and hopefully I'll get to see you real soon. And if you don't mind, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe, and please send some comments that I can talk to you guys through too. And for now, I'll let you go, and we'll catch you real soon. Bye.